At 1K na guys. Let's go, 4 kilometers to go. So 2K na tayo. Okay. So we're on 2.5K guys. So last 2.5K para mga 5km tayo. 3K guys. So don't forget hashtag pa rin ha. Hashtag run for your life. 4K guys. So that's our 5K run with our new shoes. Don't forget the hashtag. Hashtag run for your life.